Welcome to Antigua and Barbuda. In this episode, I'm going to show you some of the best things you can do here, including a mix of luxury and local experiences, plus the rum and Caribbean food, of course. This is my ultimate 3-day guide for Antigua and Barbuda. Hello and welcome to Antigua and Barbuda. Today is my very first day on this island and I am staying at the Hodges Bay Resort. Let me just quickly introduce you to that because it is a beautiful introduction to being in Antigua. This is our own private beach right at the front and my room is there. Let me show you very quickly. So this is my room and it opens up onto this beachfront balcony. Yeah, I mean that's a very nice introduction to Antigua. I'm going to be here for a little under a week and my aim is to show you the best luxury experiences you can do in Antigua. We've got a great lineup. I'm really looking forward to the next few days, and one thing I'm particularly excited about, but you're going to see all of that in this video. Right now I'm going to show you a little bit around the hotel and then I'm going to get ready for what we're doing this afternoon. Now this is one of two pools here, which is an infinity pool looking out to the Caribbean, complete with our very own hot tub. An infinity hot tub. And of course our own resident spaceman. This hotel also comes with its very own island way out there. Let me show you. Now, I'm not going there right now, but you're going to see that later in the video. And next up, we're about to head out on the Dojo Yacht, which you can see right behind me. Now this is one of the best things you can do in Antigua, is to get out on the waves. And that's what we're about to do right now for a luxury yacht sunset experience. Cheers. Hey, thanks man.
Not a problem.
This country, even in the summer.
Enjoy. Anybody can play. The water girl knows.
Oh yeah.
Now we are out on the open water. It's been about half an hour so far and got up the mainsail and about to get up the head sail. This is the proper Caribbean experience, having a few beers on a boat, already seen a turtle and hopefully some more marine life as well. I think they have whales, orcas, dolphins. Let's see what we get. But yeah, this is the beautiful idea that you might have of sailing through the Caribbean. Are flowing. We've had a few drinks on the waves and now we're coming back towards Antigua with the sunset behind us. This is pretty spectacular. This is the perfect way to roll into our hotel tonight.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so cool! Camera's downstairs, I'm like, no.
is it. We're finishing with the sunset behind us as we roll back into Antigua, and yeah, an epic experience, a great sail, beautiful, one of the best places you can go sailing in the world, on a beautiful boat with a great crew. What a way to end the day. But what if in between your epic trip around Antigua, you need a bit of rest, you fancy a bit of downtime, so you turn on Netflix and suddenly that show that you've been binging isn't there anymore? That's where NordVPN comes in. You can use NordVPN to virtually mask your location to anywhere in the world. Whether you're looking for Survivor, Shipwrecked, Castaway, Love Island, or any other non-island related program, NordVPN has got your back. Just change the location in one click, order some room service, and recharge for tomorrow. But did you know you can also use it to find cheaper flights? This is a hack that I only found out about recently. If you change your location to your final destination when looking for flights, sometimes it ends up a lot cheaper. I don't actually know why this works, but the important thing is that it does, and you need a VPN for it. So try out NordVPN using the link below. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and if you use my link, you'll get 4 bonus months. Now, back to the island. Good morning. Next up, we are heading out for some scooter snorkeling. So I don't know, you may have seen this before, but you basically get a motorized scooter that works underwater while you go snorkeling. I think we have to get the boat out to find a good spot for it. This is very exciting, something I've never done before, and I'm pretty hopeful that the marine life and the tropical coral is going to be pretty special here. This is something I've never done before, and the weather is beautiful, it's clear. I'm pretty sure this is going to be pretty special.
So you can see different species of fish, and then we're going to head back in the harbor. Alright, sea scooter, this is how basically it lays in the water. You're going to hold it like this, picture me laying down in the water. You're going to hold like this, not like this, or like this. Basically, if you hold like this, the mast will blow off. Alright, don't turn it like this, you won't be going anywhere. Alright?
We're ready now. We just had a little briefing. We're going to go out for an hour using the scooters, and this is going to be pretty fun. You can go quite fast on them, I'm told. There's 3 speeds. I'm just going to mount up this GoPro because I can't take anything else and show you what we get up to. Oh yeah, thank you. Alright, here we go. Now the sea scooters are really easy to get the hang of, even if you're not a great swimmer. They're great because they do most of the hard work for you. There's 3 speeds and you can dive down with them, but even if you let go, it'll just pop back up to the surface. We came across this little shipwreck, and then we were lucky enough to be greeted by a sea turtle. We could get down next to him, our guide took some photos, and then it was just about time to find a stingray. It was a great day out, and of course, finishing with a nice cold Carib beer. We are now at the captain's table being greeted with the steel drums and about to begin a food tour during restaurant week. So I've just been told the food is being prepared now. We also of course have some samples of the local rum over there, and I think today is going to be a very special foodie day in Antigua. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like fried saltfish and corn fritter. Nice. So yesterday we had NOBU, which is obviously a luxury experience. Okay, I feel like I need to pause it here because I just sprung NOBU on you, but I actually have a separate video for that. I'm going to link that above, go and check it out. We spent the whole day there in Barbuda, going across by speedboat, visiting NOBU, spending time on Princess Diana Beach. It was really one of the most epic things to do here, but I think it deserved its own video, so if you're interested, go and have a look. And now we're going more local. So here I've got the seafood rice with some conchin, which is one of the Antiguan specialities, and then saltfish and the corn fritter too. And let me tell you, the spice is amazing. Okay, here here we have the English Harbour rum, a product of Antigua that I'm going to try neat. This is tasting, so it's classic. That's a lot smoother. I feel like that's much smoother than the first one. Not that this is my second. Next up is One Stone Shack, this little local restaurant on the side of the road. And this is honestly like how I like to explore a country when I arrive there on my own and start just finding little places like this to try some of the authentic food. So I'm very excited for this.
Actual original Rastafarian.
So I just found out this is actually a Rastafarian eatery, and the food is cooked very natural, very traditional in these stone pots. They're called yabbas, and everything we're having today, well at least in this restaurant, has been cooked in those yabbas. It's actually really exciting. Thank you very much. It's like a pea fritter, is it?
Yes.
Something like that? First up we have peas balls. Like I think like a...
I think if you work with apple or
it's like a pea dumpling. Right, we just received some raspberry juice, which I can't say is something I've tried. I'm surprised it comes out this color as well, but it does taste just like you expect it. Really sweet, nice raspberry juice.
Called The Makery. I wonder why is that?
I'll tell her. Right, so one of my nieces could not pronounce the word bakery when she was 2 years old. And so she will always say, I'm going to the bakery, I'm going to the bakery. So when we decided to open this branch, I put it out to, I think there were like 5 and 3 at the time. And both of them are part of the board of directors. So we called them, it was like, what do you think we should call it? I said, call it The Makery, The Makery. And as we stuck with the name, people caught on to it.
Yes.
So,
You go for it, go ahead.
all right then.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, so first up, I have the bun and cheese, and it actually smells just like a hot cross bun. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. Simple, but satisfying. This is also this sort of place I would definitely go if I was exploring myself. Finding like a little bakery like this, called The Makery, is ideal when you're traveling around, especially in like places where you don't know what the food is. It's easy, you can just come in and point. Okay, next up we are at Alma's. Got given this soured cocktail. It's really good. It looks kind of like a Ribena, and it tastes like a adult happy Ribena. The Diet Coke.
Oh yes, the Diet Coke. It's very special. It's here, island bought.
Special Antigua and Barbuda Coca-Cola. Okay, so this is the speciality Antiguan dish.
Pepper pot.
So it looks and smells really good. I read about this before, so I'm glad we get a chance to try it. And it is kind of like a stew. Well, I'm going to taste it and tell you. Now you might be surprised I'm going to say this, but it tastes very peppery. And no, I really like it. So it's actually really good. As ever, the only thing I can say is it's good. For our final stop today, we've come to the National Cricket Stadium, where they have a boundary bar that anyone can come to. Literally, I'm in the stand right now. We just walked in, and they have this bar here where you can get some food and come and sit, even when the cricket's not on, which is pretty cool. So this is actually the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium, who's a famous Antiguan cricketer, still living right now, and has a stadium, and also I'm told a street named after him in Antigua. We're now, I think, getting some dessert. Okay, what is this? Rum. The rum is just the beginning. Rum, pick a mix.
Add the candy of Capri Suns as an add-on.
Yeah, there's actually Capri Sun. Nice. We also have ice cream.
Oh wow.
Mango.
It's in season. This one is the coconut.
Ah, sounds good. That's great. Thank you very much. here we have some saltfish and dumplings, and then this is Willock's shellfish on top of coconut rice. And then we also have a serving of coconut rice. Yeah, all looks very, very good. And here we have a stalk person. This is how we're finishing the day. The food tour during restaurant week was the perfect way to finish, but there was still one surprise left. This is Prickly Pear Island. Here's the closing party today in Antigua, and we have our own private island. Look at this. I'm going to show you the bar. Now, we were so lucky to get this to ourselves and have a private party to finish off the week, but you can just go and visit there, use the bar, look at this gorgeous setting and try and head over there for sunset. What a week, what a way to finish, what a place.